Okay, great. Thanks, Al. Hi, everyone. Great to have you all with us again. As Al says, we're going to kick things off with a big update to the incredibly successful Trident 660. And we'll be going live with this story next week. So please do make sure that none of your content goes live until we do. So we launched the Trident back in 2020 with a unique combination of exhilarating triple engine performance and character, easy, confidence-inspiring handling, bold British styling, and unrivaled overall cost of ownership. And since then, the bike has generated a huge following with fans all around the world. People new to riding, young and old, people who've been riding for years, more female riders than any of our other bikes. A real mix. And it's really captured and inspired riders from all walks of life who are drawn to its characterful style and fun ride. And it's brought in a new group of riders to the Triumph brand. And it's not just our customers who love the bike. The Trident has been highly praised in the media, even winning several high-profile awards. And just last year, we introduced a very special version of the Trident 660, the Triple Tribute. Available for 1 year only, and with a beautiful, bold colour scheme that gives a nod to the famous triple-powered racers that have helped propel Triumph to incredible success over the years. With an increased level of standards fit specification, this bike has taken an already very successful formula and raised the game, proving to be a huge sales success and bringing the Trident to even more customers than ever before. So for 2025, we've done what we do best at Triumph. We've taken all the feedback from our customers, listening to what they want and building on the success of that special edition to create a significant update for the Trident 660 that's designed to lift this unique middleweight triple up even further, with more rider-focused technology fitted as standard and bold new colour trim and graphics to cater for this obvious demand that we've seen from our riders. So, the 2025 Trident delivers thrilling, usable performance from the only triple engine in the class. Distinctive, unique style, enhanced for 2025 with bold new colours and graphics. Signature, Triumph agile and confidence-inspiring handling, even more rider-focused technology fitted as standard, and all wrapped up in a package that delivers an excellent overall cost of ownership. So let's start with that 660 triple engine at the heart of this bike, which is the only bike to bring all the performance advantages of a 3-cylinder engine to this category, with a combination of low-down torque and top-end power that's characteristic of a Triumph triple. And the engine's got an incredible spread of torque, over 90% of peak torque delivered almost across the entire rev range. And of course, it's got that glorious 3-cylinder soundtrack, really giving the rider the best of both worlds compared to a twin or a 4-cylinder engine. And with it being such a popular bike across Europe, there's a nice simple A2 restrictor kit that can be easily fitted by a Triumph dealer while you're learning, and then obviously removed once you've got your full license, making this bike the perfect entry point into the Triumph family. So moving on to that distinctive, original and exciting British style, the Trident's minimal lines and unmistakable silhouette have been enhanced for 2025 with 3 bold new colour and graphic schemes: Cosmic Yellow, Cobalt Blue, and Diablo Red. All of these complemented by a sapphire black colour split with white accents, which really underline the Trident's muscular stance. And they all look absolutely fantastic, particularly when you get to see them in the flesh. These options are available in addition to a jet black colour scheme too. And being a Triumph, owners will of course be treated to an unrivaled level of fit, finish and detailing. No unsightly cables or hoses, just everything tucked neatly away and finished to a beautiful standard. Now when we developed the Trident originally, it was essential that it delivered on Triumph's signature, agile and confidence-inspiring handling. And for 2025, it still offers everything that riders loved about its predecessor. Excellent control from the high-specification Showa upside-down forks and preload-adjustable RSU, powerful Nissin brakes and grippy Michelin Road 5 tyres. An accessible and comfortable ride from its low seat height and carefully sculpted narrow seat, making it easy to get your feet on the floor. And excellent manoeuvrability thanks to its low weight. But this has been significantly enhanced this year with even more rider-focused technology fitted as standard. In addition to the existing ride-by-wire throttle and road and rain riding modes, there's now an additional sport mode for even more responsive and exciting performance from the triple engine. Uniquely to this segment, optimized cornering ABS and traction control ensure the optimum performance at all lean angles. Excellent safety addition that ensure riders feel completely confident in any riding conditions. And every bike now comes fitted as standard with Triumph Shift Assist and the MyTriumph connectivity unit and cruise control, giving really slick upshifts and perfectly matched downshifts with an auto blipper. You get turn-by-turn navigation with phone, music control at your fingertips via the multifunction TFT instruments on your smartphone. And, uniquely to this segment, the cruise control, extra comfort and convenience on long journeys. And that's all wrapped up in an incredibly competitive package that's not just focused on an excellent initial purchase price, which we'll get to in just a sec, but also the ongoing cost of ownership with a big focus on easy maintenance, low workshop time, and well-priced genuine parts, as well as a class-leading 10,000 miles, 16,000 kilometre service interval, and a 2-year unlimited mileage global warranty. So that all-important purchase price is just as competitive as ever. And here it is, the on-the-road price in the UK and the pricing for Trident in your markets, which of course reflect all the local pricing conventions with including or excluding taxes and on-the-road fees and things like that. So if you can't see the price in your market, please do just get in touch with your local Triumph representative and they'll be able to find this out for you. And as usual, on the screen now, you'll see a quick summary of the key technical specifications. And this, of course, will be in your press kit as a reference for you all too. Right, so that is the new 2025 Trident 660. A significant update for the Trident that's designed to sharpen this unique middleweight even further, with more rider-focused technology fitted as standard to enhance the ride, and bold new colour trim and graphics to cater for that clear preference and demands that we've seen from our riders.